hello everyone, good day. I am Zoila Lustos, a Bachelor of Physical Education third year student. This presentation is contained about my research or a survey in conducting the 3-cone shuttle run assessment test in the class of BSBA 1G. So, the 3-cone shuttle test, also known as the 3-cone drill or L drill, is a widely used agility drill in sports and fitness assessment. It is particularly popular in football and other sports that requires quick changes in direction and agility. The test is designed to evaluate an individual's ability to accelerate, decelerate, and change direction rapidly. The test involves setting up a course in the shape of the letter L or a triangle marked by 3 cones placed in a straight line with equal spacing. Athlete starts at one end of the course and sprint to the first cone where they touch the ground or cone before sprinting back to the starting point. They then change direction and sprint around the second one back to the starting point and finally around the third cone before finishing at the starting point. The 3-cone run assessment, it assesses an individual's speed, agility, and ability to change direction rapidly. It is an effective measure of an athlete's acceleration, deceleration, and lateral movements capabilities, providing valuable insight into their overall agility and quickness on the field or court. So for the procedure, on the signal to begin, the participant sprints 5 yards on the middle cone. At the middle cone, they touch the ground or a marker with their hand, then change direction to sprint back to the starting cone. At the starting cone, they touch the ground or marker again and change direction to sprint to the far cone. After reaching the far cone, they touch the ground or marker for the final time. For the scoring, the total time taken to complete the drill is recorded, and this time is indicative of the participant's agility, speed, and ability to change direction quickly. Take the best time to 2 successful trials to the nearest 0.1 second are the basis in determining the score. For the process in conducting assessment, first is we have the orientation. Second is the collection of medical certificates. Third, warm-up or stretching. Fourth, setting up the materials. Fifth is demonstration. And sixth is the practical assessment. For data analysis, the table presented is the tally of the names separating them from female and male subjects, with the highest score and test remarks being documented. So, here are first subject. From female subject, we have Andiojo Karel L that has score of 12 and remarks of excellent. Next is Angeles Marlin A that has scored 12.38 and remarks of excellent. And so forth. So we have here the 35 subject from female that has the total score of 437.83 and have a weighted mean of 12.50 and has a remarks of excellent. And for the range, we have 3.24. So how did I get the total weighted mean? So for the formula of mean is equals to sum of all deviation divided by number of data points. So sum of all deviation or the total score is 437.83 divided by 35 or the number of data points is equals to 12.50. And for the range is equals to high score minus lowest score. So range is equals to 13.69, which is the high score, minus 10.45, the lowest score, is equals to 3.24. And for the male subjects, we have here first subject Mr. Alinso Rafael M that has score of 11.56 and remarks of excellent. Next is Baoyot Ralph that has score of 10.45 and remarks of excellent, and so forth. So for the overall total score of male subject, we have here the 110.24. So for the weighted mean of the male subject resulted to 11.24 that has a remarks of excellent and range of 2.84. So how did I get the mean for male? So 110.24, which is the total score, divided by 10 or the number of subject in male is equals to 11.024. So for the range is equals to 12.72, which is the highest score or the highest number in score, minus 9.88, the lowest number in score, is equals to 2.84. So this part is a division of class based on their birth month. So for our January, we have two subjects, Miss Audan John Kyla M, that has a score of 13.6 and remarks of average. And our second subject is Tuyungan Juvin B, that has a score of 12.10 and remarks of excellence. So for the total score of the two participants who are born in January, we have here the 25.7 and the total weighted mean of 12.85. So same as February, we have here the weighted mean of 12.84, March 11.72, April we have weighted mean of 11.34, May weighted mean is 11.77, June 12.37, July 12.33, August 12.90, September 11.70, October 11.87, November has a weighted mean of 12.68, and for the December, we have the weighted mean of 12.07. So for our graph number 1, or this pie graph, the data displays the division of class based on their birth month because it serves as a demographic of this study. So for, as you can see, the pie graph is divided into 12, which is basing on their birth month. So for the January, we have 2 subjects, February 6 subjects or 6 participants, March 2 subjects, April 5 subjects, May 5 subjects, June 3 subjects, July 3 subjects, August that has 4 subjects, September has 7 subjects, October has 2 subjects, November 4 subjects, and for December we have 2 subjects. And for our second graph, the data shows the overall class performance reflects a diverse range of achievements and areas for improvements. This graph, it presents the 12 subjects or their birth month and the score. So for the January, we have the total weighted mean of 12.85, February 12.84, March 11.72, April 11.32, May 11.77, June we have 12.37, July 12.33, August 12.90, September 11.90, October 11.87, November 12.68, and for the December we have 12.07. The result of the 3-cone shuttle test are presented in the table, derived from data collected from a sample of 45 test participants. From the collected data, it was observed that participants born in August achieved the highest average in the 3-cone shuttle test, while those born in September recorded the lowest performance in comparison. Those born in March, April, May, September, and October gathered positive feedback signifying a good level of performance in their 3-cone test assessment, while participants born in January, February, June, July, August, November, and December attained the anticipated commendable proficiency average in the assessment. According to the article written by Deep L of 2020, the 3-cone, also known as the L drill, is designed to measure speed, agility, change of direction, and body control among other traits. The 3-cone drill, which uses 3 cones in the shape of an L, evaluates how fast a player can change direction while accelerating. Ultimately, the 3-cone shuttle test emerged as a valuable tool for assessing and enhancing agility, contributing to a comprehensive understanding of athletic capabilities. The findings from the studies lay the groundwork for informed training strategies and highlight the significance of agility in optimizing human performance across diverse activities. So that is all in this presentation, everyone. Thank you for listening and God bless.